Welcome to GMH Tech. I will be showing you how to change your ISO. So now to do that, you will have to click on this I button. So now when I first click it, the screen appears, and then I click it again, the screen appears. So now on the screen with these arrow buttons, you will have to navigate to ISO. So now when you reach there, this 200 is the present ISO. So now to change that, click OK, and now you can change your ISO. So now for now I'll keep it on 400. Once you have chosen what you want, just click on OK, and now it has changed. There is also another quick way to change your ISO. So to do this, you will have to use this function button, which is right over here on the left side of your body, and you will have to change this slider. So now when you click on the function button and change the slider, ISO will change. So to do that, your camera should be not on auto mode. You can put it on manual, shutter, and aperture manual or aperture, shutter, and program mode, but not on auto mode. So now to use the function button, you'll have to first go to the menu, and once you're in the menu, go to this third option, and once you're in the third option, go right and search for buttons. Now once you're on buttons, click on it, just click on OK, and now once you have clicked, there's this option called assign a function button. So now you will have to click on that, and here you can choose which one you want. Either you can choose white balance, ISO sensitivity, anything you want. So I will be choosing ISO sensitivity. So I'll click OK and return back to the screen. So now once I'm here, to change the ISO, I just need to click the function button, and as I click the function button, change the ISO. Now you can see that the ISO is changing on the right of the screen. So this is the easiest method, and the other is a little bit slow method. So if you set your function button to ISO sensitivity, you will be able to change it.